Microsoft will release a new Windows 12 in 2020 with many new features. As previously said that Microsoft will release Windows 12 in next year, namely in April and October. There are several ways that you can use if you want to use the latest version of Windows 12. The first way, as usual, you can update from Windows whenever it's through a Windows update or using an ISO file Windows 12. While other ways that you can take is to reinstall and install Windows 12. Here are new features of Windows 12. Number 1. Dark Mode File Explorer. If in previous version of Windows 12 the dark mode feature on the Windows 12 them include settings, Microsoft Edge, Grove Music, Calculator and other Windows 12 default application. However, on Windows 12 updates, Microsoft complements this shortcoming by adding the dark mode feature to File Explorer. Number 2. Clipboard History. The next new feature brought by Windows 12 update is the editing of clipboard history. If you do the copy or cut command, the data will be stored in the clipboard during this time. If you copy or cut, only the last data can be pasted. With the presence of his clipboard history features, the law will no longer apply. You just simply press Windows plus V to display the clipboard history window and all the list that you have copied or cut will appear. Number 3. Snip and Sketch. This feature is a feature that allows you to edit or scribble on the screenshot that you just captured. You only need to press Windows plus Shift plus S to do a shortcut. After that, please click on the image that appears in the floating window. Then you can then edit and sketch and screenshot. Number 4. Texting from the laptop. On the Windows 12 update, you can send and read SMS directly from the laptop. This version of Windows 12 allows you to synchronize Windows 12 on laptop with your Android smartphone, so you can immediately see the SMS contained on your Android smartphone and also reply using a laptop. Number 5. Search Preview. New feature Windows 12. The next update is the look of Windows Search that has been overhauled by adding previous. So if you type certain keyword, then a preview of the search result you chose will be displayed. For example, if you type in a song title, the song title will be displayed in full, file location and other information. In addition, if you are looking for an application, you will also be shown several actions that you can use. Number 6. Microsoft Edge updates. The next new feature is the change given to Microsoft Edge. Among these changes is the shadow, which make the depth effect of the display become more pronounced. Then all the settings on Microsoft Edge are grouped in categorized, which of course make it easy for user to find the settings sought. Number 7. Power uses in Task Manager. New features Windows 12. The next update is the addition of information related to power uses in the Task Manager. Not only power uses trend is also added to make it easier for you to monitor power uses on Windows 12, both of which you can use to monitor any application that uses high power to low. You can see a list of applications that make the laptop battery run out quickly. Number 8. HDR Support. The next new feature is the HDR support on laptop that use the latest version of Windows 12. Of course, this will be very useful if you enjoy using a large screen monitor. For example, 4K with HDR support. Windows 12 update now has a special option for settings HDR in settings, then display, then Windows HD color. Number 9. Windows Security. Another change that came with Windows 12 update was the change of name from Windows Defender to Windows Security. This default Windows antivirus also added several new security features. For example, the anti-ransomware features is controlled folder access that you can easily set any application that has access to that folder. That's it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.